how to add your Instagram link to TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, to add the Instagram link to your TikTok, open up Instagram first and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll find share profile, tap on it and then tap on copy link. So you can see link copied. Now come back and go to your TikTok and now go to your profile icon again, and then there you'll see edit option beside your username. Tap on it and then there you'll see links. Tap on add and here you can see Instagram. Tap on add again, and then what you can do is you can either log in your Instagram account or you can just copy paste the link right here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.